401k fund selection for beginners, how to get started. Hey there, welcome to this exciting and informative video on 401k fund selection for beginners. Are you starting a new job or just beginning to save for retirement? Congratulations, you're in the right place. I know what you're thinking, 401k funds? Sounds boring. But trust me, this is one of the most important topics you'll need to know if you want to retire comfortably. And don't worry if you don't know much about investing, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about selecting 401k funds. We'll cover the basics, provide helpful tips, and show you how to make informed choices that can help you achieve your retirement goals. But before we dive in, let's talk about why 401k fund selection matters. It's not just about picking some numbers and hoping for the best, this is about your financial future. So, get ready to learn, get ready to make some smart choices, and get ready to secure your financial future. Let's do this. Let's dive into the basics of what 401k funds actually are. Simply put, a 401k fund is a type of investment fund that is designed to be used within a 401k retirement savings plan. These funds typically hold a variety of investments, such as stocks, bonds, and other assets, which are managed by professional fund managers on behalf of investors. The goal of a 401k fund is to provide investors with a diversified portfolio that can help them grow their savings over time. By investing in a mix of different types of assets, investors can potentially reduce their overall risk while still achieving solid returns. But with so many different types of funds available, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. That's why it's important to understand the different types of funds and how they work. Generally, there are three main types of 401k funds: stocks, bonds, and index funds. Stock funds invest in shares of individual companies, while bond funds invest in bonds issued by corporations or governments. Index funds, on the other hand, aim to track the performance of a specific market index, such as the S&P 500. To build a well-diversified portfolio, it's important to consider all of these different types of funds and how they fit together. But why is diversification so important? Well, by spreading your investments across different types of funds, you can potentially reduce the impact of any one investment performing poorly. This can help you achieve more consistent returns over time. So, that's the basic idea behind 401k funds. In the next section, we'll talk about some key factors to consider when selecting the right funds for your own retirement savings plan. Let's talk about some key factors to consider when selecting the right funds for your retirement savings plan. First, consider your investment goals. Are you looking for long-term growth, income, or a combination of both? Your investment goals will help guide the types of funds you choose. Next, consider your risk tolerance. Are you comfortable taking on more risk in order to potentially earn higher returns, or do you prefer a more conservative approach? Your risk tolerance will also play a role in determining your asset allocation. You'll also want to consider past performance. While past performance is not a guarantee of future results, it can be a useful indicator of how a fund has performed in the past. Fees are another important consideration. Look for funds with low expense ratios, which can eat into your returns over time. Finally, consider the fund's management team and their investment philosophy. Are they experienced and reputable? Do their investment strategies align with your goals and values? By considering these factors and doing your research, you can make informed decisions about which funds to include in your retirement savings plan. And don't forget to regularly review and rebalance your portfolio over time, to ensure that it continues to align with your goals and risk tolerance. Now that you know what to consider when selecting 401k funds, let's walk through some steps to help you get started. Step 1. Review your 401k plan's investment options. Take a look at the list of available funds and their performance history. Step 2. Consider some recommended starter funds, such as the Vanguard Target Retirement Funds, Fidelity Freedom Funds, or T. Rowe Price Retirement Funds. These funds are designed to be well diversified and automatically adjust their asset allocation as you approach retirement. Step 3. Determine your asset allocation based on your investment goals and risk tolerance. A general rule of thumb is to subtract your age from 100, and invest that percentage in stocks, with the remaining percentage in bonds. Step 4. Create a diversified portfolio by choosing funds from different asset classes, such as large-cap stocks, small-cap stocks, and international stocks. Step 5. Review the fund's past performance and fees. Look for funds with low expense ratios and a consistent track record of solid performance. By following these steps, you can select a well-diversified mix of funds that align with your investment goals and risk tolerance. And if you're not sure where to start, consider some of these recommended starter funds that have a proven track record of success. And don't forget to regularly review and adjust your portfolio over time, to ensure that it continues to align with your goals and risk tolerance. Congratulations! You're now equipped with the knowledge and tools you need to select the right 401k funds for your retirement savings plan. Remember, investing for retirement is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, patience, and a long-term perspective to achieve your goals. Make sure to regularly review and adjust your portfolio over time, as your goals and risk tolerance may change. And when the time comes to enjoy your retirement, you'll be glad you took the time and effort to plan and invest for your future. We hope you found this video helpful in selecting the right 401k funds. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos on personal finance and investing. Good luck on your retirement journey. This video that was authored by Open A.I.'s ChatGPT. With the company taking on billions of dollars in investments, this is the perfect time to find out ways for this innovative tool to help you learn about personal finance. Audio for this book was provided by NaturalSoft Limited's Natural Reader AI software using their commercial license. Per their website, this license allows you to use its software and voices for commercial or public use. This includes, but is not limited to, YouTube videos, public announcements, broadcasts, and e-learning.